Multifamily Mindset
podcast. Think bigger.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dallas Pruitt. This is the Daily Drip here on the MFM podcast. It's tough to grow and make the type of impact you are truly capable of when you allow the inner critic to take over. And look, many of us don't even know that this is happening when it does. We say things like, why do I suck at this? Sometimes these types of questions are directed towards your team or your family. Why do they suck at this? Why can't they figure this out? Why can't my kid figure this out? This is an issue for a couple of reasons. One, you're in a fixed mentality. You're not focused on learning. Two, instead of finding an outlet, you're putting a brick wall up in front of you. This type of ineffective question just creates a roadblock. It's because it's not really a question. It's a complaint. If you want to open your mind and feed learning, which essentially means feed growth, asking effective questions is one of the most important skills you must not only acquire, but also continue to cultivate. These types of questions look like, what can I learn from this? What can my team learn from this? What can I help my child learn from this? When you make effective questions better questions the norm, you keep yourself on the path to progress and making an impact. So, shut down the critic. Be your own teacher. Become a better teacher of yourself for yourself. And then learn to help those around you do the exact same thing. Grow and make effective questions the norm. And speaking of impact, our family out in Maui has went through a horrific situation. They are rebuilding, and really they're in the thick of it still. My invite with today's drip and in preparation for one of our episodes coming up this week with our family and friends in Maui is to just donate what you can to the fire relief and the families that have been affected out there on the island of Maui. Our hearts and our prayers are with them. We will continue to send love, donations, everything that we can. We'll drop that donation link here in the description of today's show, and go ahead and take action and do what you can to help. We appreciate you guys, and we will see you guys back here on the podcast again tomorrow.